Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is a long-awaited video, at least for me. I am going to swatch and show you guys at least 80, I think, of these Sydney Grace eyeshadows. I have been dropping little tutorials here and there. I've been using them. I love these shadows so much. You guys don't even know. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I've been working on swatching on my daughter. I didn't want to put her through like me doing it all at once, so I've been working on this. I've been trying out shadows, trying to figure out which ones are my favorites so far, things like that. So I'm going to talk about everything in this video. I have fallen head over heels for these shadows, you guys. You don't even know. Like, I love them. They perform so well. So I reached out to Heather and I asked her if she would be willing to give me a discount code for you guys. Not a commission code. I don't want to make any money. She's already sent me shadows. Like, I don't need anything else. And she did. She hooked me up with a 15% off that's indefinite. So I don't have an end date for this. As far as I know, until we take it down, it's just going to be there for you guys. I will leave that code down below for you, but it's PuffinsWife15. So I wanted to do several tutorials, show you guys swatches, give you guys all the information I possibly could so you'd be well informed before you decided which shadows you absolutely had to have. I keep all my Sydney Gray shadows in here. This thing, I've talked about this guy before. It's the JD Glow Colossal palette, but here are all my Sydney Gray shadows. Like, look at them. They're so pretty, you guys. In this ginormous palette, I have three different formulas. There's the traditional matte, which is $5. There's shimmer shadows, which are also $5, and then pressed pigment shadows. Those are $6. Sweetheart is an example of a shimmer shadow. So this one is like a metallic, but it's not like this one, which hopefully you can see is more like a foiled shadow. These are a lot more intense than these. I still like these, don't get me wrong, but these like pack a punch. This particular one right here is Hot Stuff. I'm just gonna swatch it on the back of my hand real quick. Let's take this guy, and it's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Red Chameleon. Oh, this one is like butter. Oh, right beside. I feel like I can never get these swatches on camera. And this one is Blushed. Let's see. Look at those. Look at those. Like, these outperform several of my higher end shadows. The matte formula feels like silk creaminess. I don't know how else to put it. Silk creaminess. They are so nice and they blend so well. They're so pigmented. And one nice thing about these shadows is that they don't contain talc. I know a lot of people don't like talc. I don't have feelings toward it one way or another. To me, it's like the shadow work or it doesn't. But these do not contain talc, which is really cool. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the swatches. I did these in groups of 5. They all have the names beside them, so if you want to like screenshot or anything, feel free to do so. I will also list all of them in the same order down below. I will put little stars beside all of my personal favorites. I do want to mention that I didn't know beforehand that some of these are only available in the bundle, so if you can't find it as a single, it's just not available as a single yet. One example of that is Evergreen. This is in the winter bundle. I totally destroyed all of my shadows when I first got them and put them in like little categories. So I don't even know which one's which, but just screenshot. And then if you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me down below. Let's get into the swatches. For the first one, we have Drift. This is one of my favorite shades. It's kind of like Mac Blanc type, but a little bit brighter. I love setting the eye with this. Morning Star, Haley's Haze, Dreamer, and San Diego. Oh gosh, I use San Diego all of the time. Next pick, we have San Jose. Love that one. Blushed, Brown Top, Loose Change, and Queen of Hearts. You guys, Queen of Hearts is what kind of started this all for me. They were formerly Feather River Body, and that's when I got Queen of Hearts, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, it's so good. Allie, Hercules, Peanut Butter, Laura's Memory, and Cafe. Then we have Redstart, Sunset, Lost Princess, which is very similar to MAC Coppering, but I find it to be just a little bit more intense. Sun Poisoning, and Gulf Coast. Wintertime, I have that on my inner corner today. Pismo, also wearing that one. Peace, wearing that one on the lid as well. Ivy League and Tiara. Tiara is just to die for. Hot Stuff, Backroads, Grounds, My Forever, and Princess PayPay. Like, I want to know the story behind Princess PayPay. Like, how did we get that name? Because that is super cute. Serendipity. If you've been watching my tutorials, you've seen me use that several times. Fairytale, Just Peachy. I believe Just Peachy might be in just a bundle, not sure. Embrace and Haven. This purple is so pretty. It's like this dusty pastel but pigmented purple. Blushed again because I have two in here, so I didn't realize that I had already swatched it. Faithful, Honesty, Golden Rose. Oh my gosh, this has the prettiest golden shift. Gorgeous. Adore Me. And then we got some pinks. We've got Ladies Dancing, Sweater Weather, Plummet, Mittens, and Sweetheart. Now for some purples, we have Winter Wonder, Pixie, Deliverer, Always Yours, and Unpredictable. Love Unpredictable. Awake, Jolly, Flannel, Fierce, and Below Zero. My daughter personally loved Flannel. Then we have Grace, Greatest Gift. You guys have got to get Greatest Gift. Get Greatest Gift and put it over top of everything. It will shift and it's gorgeous. Springtime, Unforgettable, and Celebrate. Celebrate is in the winter bundle. Lost, Comforter, Evergreen, Thrilled, and Abies. Abies? I don't know. It's pretty. Shaley Shimmer, Red Chameleon, also one of my favorites. Black Ice, Ice Fishing, and Indiana Love. So there's all the swatches for you guys. I'm also going to link all of my Sydney Grace tutorials down below. I've done several of them. I want you guys to be able to see these in action. If you haven't checked out those tutorials, make sure you do so. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Also, Heather is amazing. If you email her or message her on Instagram, anything like that, she's so good about answering questions. She's so sweet and I love her and her eyeshadows. I also just want to reiterate, this is not sponsored. I 100% reach out to her because I love these so much that I want her to get some more recognition. I want all the big YouTubers to start using these shadows so that she can get the recognition she deserves because these are amazing products. I do not put my name behind anything lightly. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you grabbed anything, let me know and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.